Hey, F and N, play nice now, and be careful. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Poor! Oh!
Huh?
Hey, I wouldn't laugh if I were you. Oh, might just have friends in high places.
Oops. Uh-oh. Ouch!
Hey, this is a school. F's are for quizzes, not lockers.
What?
You know, I'm starting to think this locker's bigger on the inside. Wow, and there are some familiar faces here, too. Why, if it isn't Dee? Aren't you feeling a little crispy today? And if it isn't little Ms. Popular herself, P. Pretty soon, J here will feel right at home in Flatland. Let's smooth out V into a U. And maybe something special for K. Well, that was fun. Now it's time to start smashing. Wow, who knew aliens were so stretchy? Why don't we pound them up, just like mochi? Now we've got a batch of new slime to play with.
Wow.
Oh, don't worry. We can blow them back up, too. Hey, F, you got any chips to spare? This little dentist C toy can chew up the food for you. Or maybe he wants a snack. Looks like his eyes are bigger than his mouth. Sort of.
Ew.
Oh, you've got a little something in your teeth there. That's much better. Let's add some mouthwash. Now it's time for a good brushing. Good boy, see? You've earned yourself a little treat. You could eat that, or we could try out your new grinder. Something tells me that wasn't an orange. What else can we grind up? A sock? Why not? Orange and blue go great together. See? Wait, see? Well, see ya. What more colors do you want? Whatever it used to be, it's spaghetti now. When you're done with that spoon, take a dry erase marker. Draw on your favorite letter and add water. Pretty soon, it's gonna look like alphabet soup. Temp tattoos have never been easier. Oh, look, it's B. He's just in time to play with our new toy. Guess he can cancel that acupuncture appointment. Besides, it's time for your massage anyway. Gesundheit. So that's where you keep your slime. Here's an idea. Let's add some pop-it buttons. Lay them all in a row. Use the toy as a guide. Now start pushing down right into the slime. You know, they don't need to stay in order for too long. Looks like F is whipping up some gypsum. Oh, I guess we had a spare pop-it toy. T, feeling okay? You're looking kind of pale. Oh, now popping comes with a little crunch. I guess it's a one-time use deal. Good thing there's a lot of buttons. And look, some eggs. What do you think's inside? Wait a minute, that's no egg. It's got more layers than an onion. Shrek would be proud. Oh, now it's all clear. Like a crystal ball, but not for long. Wow, it's so magical, so mystical, so broken. What was inside it anyway? It's B again. Aw, aren't they cute? F, is everything okay in there? It's A. Did the other vowels ditch you? I always thought that Y was fickle.
Ew, yuck.
Ew, I'd ask, but we've seen where he's been.
Ew.
Don't worry, A. We can help clean you up. Let's start with your teeth. And now for the rest of you. We'll need another type of brush for this job. Yeah, really get into those pores, or whatever letters have. Maybe we should have used baby shampoo. Good thing Baby Yoda's here to help. Let's finish the job with a hot face mask. Maybe some new lashes? Of course, you're never fully dressed without a tiara. Yeah, I don't think that's your color either.
Ew.
Oh, you just had some wool up your nose. Might as well have some fun with that. What a seamstress. Now it's letter K. Something's missing. Let's give him a face while we're at it. Oh, they grow up so fast. Fly pretty fast, too. What's inside? A baked potato?
Ew.
What the? Well, at least we've got all this nice foil to play with. Guess there's no hard feelings toward the LMNOP gang. Those guys love a good makeover, but they usually do it Sailor Moon style. Look who's getting some big muscles, and he didn't even hit the gym. Time for the face. 2 eyes, 1 mouth. Let's add some dental implants while we're at it. Don't forget to add some tusks. Okay, maybe F does have a little grudge. Look, some toes, complete with nice sharp claws. For the finishing touch, devil horns. Or is he a minotaur? This little ball's fun to play with, as long as you're not made of sand. Don't worry, we can make a new one. Is it me, or is this starting to look like ice cream? You know, the best part of parfait is the kind you squish. E and F just seem to go together, don't they? Of course, E can sometimes be a hothead. Well, that's one way to blow out your candle. Careful now, you don't want too much wax on the cake. It's X with a surprise attack. But have we got a surprise for him? Our mini shredder. Of course, you can play with it. Wow, X makes for a cute little puzzle. Guess there was enough for 2 of him. Oh, so that's how you make lowercase letters. Want to go for another ride? There's no line. Wow, now there are 4 of him. He's multiplying, like bacteria. We could make more, or we could just cut them up by hand. Marshmallows? Good idea. We can make s'mores. Oh, look, it's pink. Still, you can't have s'mores without chocolate. Now all we need to do is add some heat. Much better. Nice and gooey. He is so sweet. She always looked just good enough to eat. And she always had such great taste. QRS terrific stuff. Catch you next time.